CSEC Visual Arts is just around the corner. Are you ready? Do you have your 10 visual arts pieces? Better yet, do you have your CSEC Visual Arts journal? Running out of time? Need help? Well, Artwork Fly's handmade visual arts journal at a limited time offer at $3,500 JMD or $30 US. Only pre-order at 50% cash deposit. Email or WhatsApp for more information at 1-876-896-3044 or artworkflyco@gmail.com. Are you doing visual arts at the CSEC level? Completed your 10 pieces? Need some extra classes? Artwork Fly's CSEC Visual Arts classes on Saturdays at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at First Step Preschool, 4 Church Street, St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica. This is the yellow and blue building next to the Anglican Church Hall. November the 5th, 2022 to February 25th, 2023 at a cost of $1,000 JMD or $10 US. 50% cash deposit to reserve your seat. For online consultations, call or text. All schools are welcomed. Email or WhatsApp for more information at 1-876-896-3044 or artworkflyco@gmail.com.